All right, let us come in the tabletop position, making sure your hands are shoulder width apart and your knees are hip width apart. Your wrist and your shoulder should be in one line. Your hips and your knees should be in one line. Once you get this position, we will breathe in and look up. Arch your back. Exhale. Put your chin into chest and hunch your back. Suck your belly in. Once more, inhale. Look up, arch your back. Open up your chest. Put your weight on your palms. Exhale, look down and hunch your back like someone's pulling your back from the ceiling. And put all your weight into your palms. Suck your belly in, tighten your core. Inhale and up. The cow pose. Exhale and down. Hold the cat pose. And relax. This is the neutral tabletop position, making sure you are not arching or rounding your back. All right. We will now practice the anterior and posterior tilts. So imagine that your hip is the only part that is going to move in isolation. All right. And now you will move your hips forward and back. This is the posterior tilt. This is the anterior tilt. Posterior and anterior. The only part that I'm moving are my hips. This makes sure that you correct your spine. You correct any extra tilt that is present, especially in women. And this will correct a lot of your backache issues as well. And relax. Great. We will now move to the thread and needle. The thread and needle pose is great for spinal twisting and also for shoulder opening. In this position, first take the neutral tabletop position. Inhale and take your right hand up. Look at your right hand. Exhale, take your right hand down between your leg and your left hand and place your shoulder down on the floor. You can bend your left elbow and look up at the ceiling. So you'll twist your spine. Inhale. Once more, take the right hand up with a smile. Exhale and down. Hand down, shoulder down, and try to twist. Look up at the ceiling. Inhale and up. Feel the opening of your shoulders here. Exhale and down. Now hold this pose and lift your left hand up. Look at your left hand and hold here 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Left hand down and right hand up. With a smile, place your right hand down, coming back in the neutral tabletop position. We'll repeat the same with the left hand. Take your left hand up. Look at the ceiling. Feel the opening in your shoulders. Inhale here. Exhale. Take your left hand between your right leg and right hand. You may bend your right elbow. Look at the ceiling. Feel the twist in your spine. Once more. Inhale and up. Exhale and down. Inhale and up. Open up your shoulders nice and wide. Exhale and down and hold here. Now raise your right hand up and look at the ceiling. And hold here. Feel the twist in your spine. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Right hand down. Take your left hand up And exhale, come back in neutral table position. We will now move towards the puppy pose, which helps in shoulder flexion and opening up of the shoulders. So keep moving forward with your palms, making sure your hips continues to stay above your knees. Place your elbows down, place your chest down and your chin down. You can place your chin down on the floor if you can. And hold here. Keep breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Feeling a nice stretch in your shoulders. Slowly come up on your palms and walk back. And relax in Vajrasana.